Welcome back to RGSecurityTeam. In today's video, I'm going to show you how cyber attackers use the Seeker tool to obtain exact device location, OS information, and browser details by sending a simple link. This video is for educational purposes only. So let's get started. Seeker is a powerful tool used to create a fake web page that asks for location permission. When the victim clicks Allow, it sends back latitude, longitude, accuracy, and device information directly to you. Hackers often use this technique for social engineering attacks, but today, we'll use it only for ethical security testing. First, clone the Seeker repository. Now run the install.sh file and it will be set up on your system. Then run the Seeker tools. If you encounter such issues while running the tools, uninstall urlib3 and requests and reinstall them using pip. Seeker will start a local PHP server on port 8080 by default. To make the page accessible over the internet, you need a tunneling service like ngrok or Cloudflare. For this demo video, I will be using Cloudflare. Open this link in your browser and go to the download section. Now download the binary or deb package of Cloudflare according to your system. In my case, I am downloading the binary. You will now get a public URL. This is the link you must send to the target, but remember, always use this ethically and only with permission. When the user opens the link, they see a fake website showing checking your location. It asks for location permission. Most victims click Allow because the page looks legitimate. As soon as the victim clicks Allow, Seeker immediately logs their information, including latitude, longitude, accuracy, radius, device model, operating system, browser type, public IP address. You will see all this in your terminal in real time. Seeker also generates a Google Maps link. Simply open it in your browser to view the exact location on the map, usually with an accuracy of 20 to 30 meters. This tutorial is strictly for educational and penetration testing purposes. Unauthorized tracking or spying is illegal. Always take consent before testing someone's device. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to RGSecurityTeam. Also, let me know which hacking tool you want in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.